Welcome to Friday's edition of the Kiss Breakfast Takeaway with Blackberry.
It's Jez and Amanda in for Ricky, Melvin and Charlie. And on today's show, we've been talking about my Big Bird jacket, Jez's trip to the cinema alone, and we started the show with the lights off.
It wasn't alone.
Sneaking Giant is the only person who's noticed something.
What? Tell me.
We put a picture up on the Facebook, on Twitter, right? Earlier on, when we first started the show, we had that big power cut.
Yeah,
we had
yeah.
no lights. We were working in the dark, just the computer screens. Sneaking Giant is the only one that's noticed, because Rice Boy, yet again, getting in the show a lot today,
Always
I
wants to be
noticed.
noticed.
Yeah, me, I exist. He put the picture up upside down.
Oh, no.
And Sneaking
Rice
Giant
boy.
has said, when the lights go off, does everything go upside down? That is awesome right there. Big Bird in the corner, reacting all the moves to this.
You're so mean.
No, can I
He's
just
got a
actually?
black heart.
Can I just? Hey, see what we did there? Black heart. Yeah.
No.
I do just want to clarify that I'm not just randomly calling you a big bird. I want to clarify.
Yeah,
you've come in fancy dress today. No, I was. No, don't twist this to be evil, Jez. You had this whole thing with me. Wear your onesie. Not that I've got a onesie, which I said all week. I haven't got a onesie, but you were
Jez
all
is
like,
trying to justify that he's called me Big Bird and I'm dressed in fancy dress. It's called fashion.
where? In America on Sesame Street. Professor Green's spoken about onesies today.
Right.
Me and Pro together on this.
Right.
Yes. He doesn't like them either. He says, you know what, they are comfy, but you do look a bit of an idiot in them.
But they're comfy.
I know, that's what he said.
Yeah, so where's your onesie?
I'm not wearing one. Not going with it. Not going with it at all. A lot of comments, right?
Yeah, I'd just like to say people are saying it just looks fashionable. That's what Ella says. Thank you, Ella. And you've got Hannah who says it's a trend. Boys know nothing.
Or on the
take
other
note,
hand,
Jez.
well, on the other hand, you've got the unoriginal JC. Shout out to you. Can't wait to see the photo. Loving it. Fashionable on Sesame Street only. Hashtag quality comment, Jez.
So
What
maybe
you
I
got
should
there?
say my one then. I think Amanda looks great, says Erin Hennessy. Jez just doesn't understand good fashion. Shame.
Wow. Okay. Got a very early morning flight tomorrow, and we were just talking about this programme on Channel 4 last night. It was like, I don't know what it was. Well, it's called Plane Crash. Hi, if you're on the way to the
Essentially.
airport right now. But they kind of did a scientific experiment where they crashed a big plane to find out what happened. Did it break up, burn? But
no one was in the plane. It was all remote controlled.
Well, they had like crash test dummies, didn't they?
Yeah.
And they marked them all to find out. So when it hit the ground, what happened to the body? What happened to? Should you do the brace position? And it's really weird. So I'm laying on my bed, rather tired, watching this, going, "Wow, I'm actually fascinated by this." And I'm thinking, right, before I check in tomorrow, what's the safe seat? What's the seat that I'm going to be no more on? And guess what?
What?
I fell asleep as it got to that bit.
Shall I tell you?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, it's seat 7A.
What is that? Is that good
That's
or is that bad?
Do not sit in seat 7A.
See, now there's a bit of me thinking you're telling me that deliberately I should check in. Yesterday, I did it.
What?
I did it.
You finally went?
Yes, I went to the cinema. I've only been saying it since Monday,
I
right?
know.
I went to see Taken 2. I got there and did it.
Did you go on your own?
No. I'm not that, but I'm not, sat in the back row. Like,
I just thought, I don't know. Usually it's taking you so long.
I went in the day. I went in the afternoon. I've
Yeah.
never been to cinema in the afternoon before. You do get some, what's the word? Some unique people. Like, you know what I mean? You
Yeah.
look around the cinema and you're like, what are you doing? What are you?
Were they on their own?
Yeah. Yeah. Listen, though, the film, I mean, it was, Taken 1, one of my favourite films. I think a lot of people right now are going, yeah, that was a bad film. Taken 2 is good.
But the thing is, though, you know my opinion on sequels. I mean, I haven't seen the movie, but I always think the second movie is never as good as the first.
I've got to agree.
Yes!
Because it's like, where are you going to go with that story?
Yeah.
We know what's coming. We know what... Even at the start of the film, you kind of go, I know exactly where this is going.
Exactly.
But it was good. It wasn't bad. It had me all built up for a really bad film.
No, I said to you that it had good action scenes. You could tell it had good action scenes, but the script, I thought, might be the same as the first one.
Yes, true. Popcorn rating, would you like to know?
Yes, popcorn rating, give it to me.
The Jez popcorn rating for Tekken 2 is... 6.5.
Good.
6 is too low,
Right.
7's too high, it's a 6.5. There you go. You know who we have to shout out? A lot of people on Facebook and Twitter, because we had some top banter this morning.
I know.
Starting from the picture when we got here at 6 o'clock and it was a power cut.
Yeah.
But we still came on. So shout out to everybody who's been taking part in the show. Ricky, Melvin and Charlie are back on Monday morning. The 8:10 shout out, the 7:40 is it. We'll be hearing all about what they got. I dread to think what Melvin's been getting up to this week.
Yeah, I know. It'll be interesting to find out, won't it? Monday morning.
Ricky and Charlie, fine. Melvin, I
Iffy.
just don't know.
So that was the Kiss Breakfast Takeaway with Blackberry, and that's it from us this week.
Ricky, Melvin and Charlie are back on Monday from 6 and they will return with the Is It? The 7:10 and 8:10 shout-outs and more chances to win.
Ricky, Melvin, and Charlie.
Let's go. Kiss Breakfast.
Sponsored by Blackberry.